cum laude. Recognized as a visionary and transformative leader who champions institutional excellence, organizational growth, and inclusive, sustainable educational development, it is indeed an honor to present to you our distinguished guest speaker, the Department of Education Davao City Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Reynante A. Solitario, CESO 5. A round of applause, please.
How are you all, our beloved completers for this school year? And I'm indeed very delighted to be invited, of course, by your school president, the Holy Child College of Davao, Mr. Paul Alan Literio, who visited my office and discussed matters pertaining to improvement of education, not only in your campus, but for the entire Davao City. Of course, allow me to greet our principal of the Green Hills campus, Mrs. Annie Alorbida. The acting principal of Kalayaan campus, Ms. Ivy Angeli Sanchez. And for the Trinity campus, the acting principal, Ms. Maria Cecilia Tutor, together with the staff under the office of Sir Paul, and to all the teaching force of the Holy Child College of Davao. To the completers, once again, I consider you as resilient learners of Davao City. To the proud parents, educators who have worked and walked with them in their journey, my congratulations also. You know, completion of the junior high school is more than a ceremony. It is a testament to your grit. In Department of Education, our Secretary Sani Angara issued the theme for this school year as Filipino graduates or completers prepared to lead with competence and character. Because your coming here together is one way of preparing you not only for competence but character to face the real life and the